Alright guys, welcome back to the Frugal Homestead. So today this is going to be a quick video. Now, we've made videos about fabric softener, homemade laundry detergent. I'll put some links to those down in the description. But it's come to our attention some people don't like to make their own. Now, we went out and set the kind of goal was if we were going to go buy laundry detergent that had everything pretty much in it, what could we do and for what budget could we do it on? So we thought we'd go ahead and bring you guys a video showing what we figured out, what we came up with, the cost, how many loads, and how we would use it. Now, you can go buy like industrial laundry detergent, but it's usually has no smell to it. It usually is very abrasive and hard on your clothes, as well as a lot of washer and dryers it's pretty hard on. I wanted something you could just go in the store and buy it and do it. So, you're going to need two products for this, and it's important that you buy the ones that we're talking about. I will put links to Amazon to buy these if you guys don't have stores near you to get them. We went into Walmart and got these. Now, each of these has a brother size that is actually more expensive that almost looks the exact same, so pay attention to what I'm going to say to you. The Arm & Hammer is the 155 load. This thing comes in at less than 10 cents an ounce. That's dirt cheap. All right, this has the cleaning factor you would just not believe. Now it says Alpine Clean, but it has no scent when it comes out. This thing can clean anything, but as far as fabric softening and as far as an odor, not the best. This will literally pull stains like no tomorrow, and it's a great value by itself. And if that's what you wanted, you could buy that, and that's the cheapest deal there is pretty much. But over here we have the 95 load Gain. Now this one has Febreze in it and it's aroma boost with Hawaiian Aloha. Now Gain has an amazing smell. It does a good job cleaning, but it actually as like almost a fabric softener. The clothes come out a lot less starchy, I guess. That one comes out very clean and starchy and hard. The clothes come out with Gain and they're a little softer, a little more fluff. After you get them to the dryer, you'll know the difference of the two. Now this one comes in at 95 loads at like 11 cents an ounce. So between these two, you have almost no cost. You couldn't even buy a box of Tide to come close to the amount that you're paying for both of these. So that's something to think about. Now I know some of you may say Purex and all this other stuff, but this is the cheapest that's sold in any local store that we went to. And we went to multiple stores to check this out. That said, we did find each of these in a local Ollie's even cheaper. I didn't get any footage of that, but that's a one-off thing, so we're just going to leave that out there. If you've got like a Big Lots, an Ollie's, an Odd Lots, you may find this stuff cheaper. Now, honey, you have masterminded how to do this, not make a mess, and not have to have any other containers. So why don't you show everybody how we do this and how much we use.
He said not make a mess. Have you guys ever seen me not make a mess?
She's going to make a mess. That's true.
But some roll up our sleeves.
Yep.
And get our clean on. So, I don't know if he mentioned it or not, but we use a 1/4 cup is what we use.
Now, if you've got something like when we come in from hunting clothes and stuff that are really nasty, we will use a little more than this, but this is all it takes in the mix we're going to show you to clean a load extremely well, make them smell good, and make them come out somewhat like you ran fabric softener through it. But the simple part of this is you just mix the two.
I was trying to make enough noise to drown you out.
Oh, yeah, because they don't need to listen to me.
Alright. So the first thing I do is I add about a half a box of each one of them into a big container. You can do this in a 5-gallon bucket, or you can do it in whatever that's going to be big enough for you. For me, I have this salad bowl that I use, and I pretty much mix anything in it. It's going to get clean, and we're going to use it anyway. So, about half of it.
Yep.
Okay.
And then the Gain with the Febreze.
Did you take the cup out of that one?
Aroma beads? No. I haven't found it yet, to be honest with you. There are cups in these. Don't use the lines on those. Measure out a 1/4 cup.
We just use one of our measuring cups.
there's the cup.
We throw these cups away usually.
Now, if you wanted to, on the gain, it's number 2 is the quarter cup. So, all right.
All right. So now all I do is I just use my hands and I mix it up well. I find that using my hands is the easiest on this because if you use a spoon or something like that, it doesn't get mixed as well. And I want to make sure that I have the power of the cleaning of the Arm & Hammer and the smell of the gain through the whole thing.
Yep. So I'm going to go ahead and take this. Actually, I'm going to do it the other way. So what I'll do is I'll take this box and pour the rest of the gain in this box. Just like that. All right. Now I'll put it over here and I'll hold it, unless she wants to do it, whichever.
You can hold it.
So I hold it, and then she's going to pour it all into the box. All right, so there's that. Now she'll take this and put it in there, mix it up. Pour it in there, babe. Now, as she's mixing that up, like I said, if you use the gain one, it's got different lines on it. You want to go just below the 2 on that. I also want you guys to kind of see the beads inside there. The Febreze beads, aroma beads. It smells really good. This Aloha Hawaiian actually smells really good, and it kind of scents your clothes a little bit.
Now I really like our liquid detergent that we make, but we would get the cheaper fabric softeners and they wouldn't be as good as the smell of this gain.
Yeah. So this is just a real simple budget way. I mean, when it comes down to it, this costs literally nothing and you'll be using it forever. 2 full boxes, even if you got a big family, you're going to end up having plenty of laundry detergent long term. So as you can see, amazingly low priced. You can get it at pretty much any store that's around you, or you can order it off Amazon. Like I said, links will be in the description below. Boom. Now you have 2 fully ready boxes of your laundry detergent. It smells good. It's got the power to clean. I mean, Arm & Hammer baking soda, power to clean. It also has Febreze and a fabric softener presence in it. This stuff works great in any kind of washer. So it can't get any simpler than this.
And we get approximately 250 loads out of it.
Yeah.
So
all this
will
together
last us for 6 months.
Yeah, a quarter cup will do, all you need. 250 load count. How can you beat that? And then for the money, it's nothing. Go to the store, pick it up, try it yourself. I think you'll actually really like it. Now, if you haven't already, and I don't know why you wouldn't have, make sure you go down, hit the comment section, tell us what you use if you don't use this or if you tried it. Let us know what you think of it if you do. Go down, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you see all of our upcoming videos. Give us a like. It really does help. We'll bring you so much more content of ways to save money or be more effective or get everything you want out of your laundry, drying, and washing experience. And honey,
we will see you in the next one. Time for you to get on the laundry.
you better clean this mess up.
It's all made for you.
You didn't do a very good job. You have a mess to clean up.
I will clean my mess. You go get on laundry.
Your clothes stink.
That's because I work.